Today, I'm going to show you how to actually use Sam.Gov to win government contracts, without wasting your time on things that don't work. I know what really works. Spoiler, it's not what most social media gurus are telling you. Here's the truth. Most people out there will tell you to look for RFPs, requests for proposals, or RFQs, requests for quotes. But that's not the way to win in this space. Why? By the time those solicitations are posted, tons of work has already been done behind the scenes, and your chance of winning is slim unless you've built relationships beforehand. What you should be looking for on Sam.Gov are sources sought. This is where you start building relationships with the government. Let's break it down. Step 1. Access Sam.Gov. It's not the most user-friendly platform, but you don't even have to log in to search for opportunities. Simply head to the search function. Step 2. Search for sources sought. Instead of wasting time on official solicitations, focus on sources sought. These are pre-solicitation notices where the government is seeking information from companies like yours. This step is critical because when you respond to these, you're actually helping the government shape the future RFP, making you a frontrunner. I've filtered the results here. There are over 1,100 opportunities in the next 3 months. When you engage here, you start developing a relationship with the government office responsible for the contract. They get to know your name, your company, and your expertise before anyone else does. Step 3. Responding to a sources sought. Let's open an example from the Defense Logistics Agency. This is not a solicitation. By engaging here, you're helping the government figure out their needs, whether the contract should be set aside for small businesses, what certifications are needed, or what technology to consider. Here's the magic: when you respond, you're also influencing the future contract. You're showing the government that your business is the best fit to solve their problem. Step 4. Build a relationship. After you respond, request a meeting. This is crucial. In these meetings, you'll learn more about the government's actual needs, things that won't always appear in the final solicitation. This gives you a massive edge over competitors who didn't engage early. Step 5. Track your progress. Government contracting isn't a quick win, it's a marathon. I use a CRM system to manage everything from initial engagement to contract closure. You need to track each opportunity, stay on top of communication, and monitor solicitation release dates. This process isn't easy, but it's how the pros win. Track your contacts, assign tasks, and make sure your team is following up at every step. Step 6. The long game. Finally, remember, government contracting takes time, 12 to 18 months is the norm. But if you do the groundwork, build the relationships, and stay engaged, your proposal will be far more targeted and have a much better chance of success than competitors who jump in at the last minute. Final thoughts. So, next time you log into Sam.Gov, skip the official solicitations and start looking for sources sought. Build those relationships early, and you'll position yourself for success. Want to learn more? Check us out at .contract.com or use the GovClose system, which is specifically designed for winning government contracts.